Hey guys, so I am here today to talk about a quick and easy lunch that you can make. We're all working from home and it can be challenging to try to make something that's quick and also healthy, and sometimes the convenience foods that we find that are available for something quick are not always the best choice. So showing you what I have here in front of me today. This is a smoothie that I'm making, and you can see in the smoothie at the bottom, I've got some mixed berries. I just buy a bag of frozen mixed berries. This is blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. And you want to be sure to get the ones that don't have sugar added to them so that you're not adding that extra sugar. In the middle there, you can see all of the green stuff. That is a mixture of baby spinach, kale, chard. I just buy the super greens or power greens. They're called different names in different grocery stores, but most of them have them. And you can put them in the blender. And then on top of that is some organic Greek yogurt. I just use an 8-ounce container, throw that on the top of it. And then I just simply pop the top on this, screw it on, stick it in the blender, and I can drink it right out of here with a straw. And that's my healthy lunch for the day with fruits, vegetables, some calcium, protein, very low sugar. You can add a little more protein if you want to this with some peanut butter or a scoop of protein powder. Some people like to add a banana, but just a really easy, quick thing that you can do for lunch to keep you on track with eating healthy. Thanks, guys.